Alright lads, BSBR here, Big Sip Beer Review. And it's day 16 on the Tiny Rebel Beer Advent Calendar door opening. Again, apologise for filming late, but just got home from work. And I noticed there's number 16, so I didn't have to find it.
Good boy.
Yeah, okay.
Is it big?
Don't know. Small one again.
Again.
And we're looking at we've got a Chuckleberry Radler, 2.5%. So I think
2.5? Oh dear.
paid £90 for that.
Yeah.
Two 2.5% beers, and the last few days the beer's been not the best.
No. I can't say anything.
Tell you what, if this don't improve, I will not be buying it next year. And that's brutally honest. That's quite harsh actually, but you know, beer advent calendar, putting 2.5% beers in it.
Yeah, it's a bit dumb.
Cheers lads. More reviews to come on a future date. Big sip.
Little sip. Isn't it?